Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is built to last because you don't build a legacy on chance. Features include Bluetooth streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, dual-zone climate control, engine auto stop-start feature, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.